What's going on, guys? My name is Alex, and first of all I want to apologize for the echo audio because right here, as you can see, I'm in a building of like the showers and everything, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys exactly how to create the mirror clone effect. As you can see, I'll just show you guys, this is the mirror that I'm going to show you guys in how to do that effect. So I'm really excited, and I'll just show you around a little bit where I am right now. So I'm super excited for this one. This video has been on my list for weeks, and finally I got around and do it. So I would say I'm going to show you guys exactly what I mean with this video. Okay guys, I wanted to do this for so long, so this is finally the video where I'm going to show you guys exactly how to recreate this effect. I would say make sure you smash the like button down below, and I would say let's go into Vegas. So if you guys are excited for this tutorial, make sure to smash the like button down below, and I'll see you guys obviously right after the intro. Okay guys, so now that we are in Vegas Pro 15, we need to do a couple of things, and this effect may look really complicated, but it is not really that complicated at all, because I'm gonna explain it to you as much as I can in detail, very slow, so you guys can follow along. So I would say let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do if you want to create this effect is you want to do everything in one take. First of all, because if you do this in one take, for example, if you're gonna first play the right guy, that is standing in front of the mirror, if you're gonna do that in one video and the other one in the separate one on the left in the mirror, what I always have is that my camera can, adjust the lighting automatically. So if you do that in two takes, one video may be a little bit darker and the other one may be a little bit lighter, and you will see the difference, and it is completely messed up. Do everything in one take. Put your lighting of your camera to, manual, so it cannot flash around. So you want to just go ahead and play both roles. This is just me, as you can see, washing my hands, and I'm just looking like very weird into the camera and then in the mirror. But what we're gonna do is we want to replace this guy with this guy, as you can see, talking. So what we're gonna do is first we're gonna cut it, and then we're gonna create a new video track. So right click, insert video track, drag this guy on top of it, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna talk. Okay, so as you can see right here, I'm just walking up, washing my hands, as you can see, like that. And once I start to notice something, I'm gonna make that guy appear, for example right here. So I'm gonna put on my headphones because there is audio, so let's see what it looks like. Okay guys, I wanted to do this for so long, so this is... Okay, so I'm gonna time it a little bit further. A little bit. Okay guys, I wanted to do this for so long, so... As you can see right here, I'm just looking very with a face expression like, what the hell is this? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and put the mirror guy on the left on top of everything else. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna mask this guy out between this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on the event pan crop icon of the top track, and we are going to pick the mask tool at the bottom. We're gonna pick the anchor creation tool, and we're gonna just go ahead and make sure that we will mask out ourselves right here in this mirror. So I'm gonna do it like that. Then I'm just gonna go around it, and as you can see, if I just connect those two in the preview, it is already looking very nice. But if you pay close attention, you can see like this little line right here, and also on the door right here. So we're gonna get rid of that. So what you want to do, it is very simple. Go to feather type, you want to click on both, then you want to pick the feather percentage, and click on this drop down arrow, and you want to drag this marker to the right until the line is gone like that. If I go ahead and play it back, this is what it looks like. How to recreate this effect, as you can see, like that. Make sure you smash the like button down below, and I would say let's go into Vegas. like that. So when I say let's go into Vegas, the mirror guy, he's going back to washing his hands, as you can see right there. And on the right, you can say like, okay, whatever. And then I'm just gonna continue washing my hands. And then you want to just synchronize the two, that the left mirror guy disappears without people knowing it. So this is what I mean. As you can see, I'm just walking up. If I do it frame per frame, I'm walking up, I'm turning on the tap, as you can see, I'm washing my hands, like that. So right now, it is two separate clips. The left guy is separate and the right guy is separate. But as you can see, because of that effect, you know, doing it in one position, it looks right now that it is not mirrored. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut away the top, as you can see, and then we're gonna just go ahead and do it like that. Cut it a little bit. That I'm just, you know, bowing down just a little. And if I play it back, this is what it looks like. As you can see, the left mirror guy is gone, and that's how I did it. That's how to basically clone yourself in the mirror. It is very simple. Do everything in one take, and then you just want to go ahead and make yourself walk up, as you can see right here, to the tap, turn on the water, and once I start washing my hands, you want to make this guy come in right there, and it looks like the left guy is just completely talking on its own, and I'm just, you know, looking like, what the hell is he doing? Like, who is that guy in the mirror on the left? And if I'm done talking right here, I'm just saying to myself, I'm just skipping through the timeline, otherwise it's going to lag a bit. So as you can see right here, I'm looking like very like surprised, and then at the end, I'm saying like, okay, whatever, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and keep washing my hands. And now you just want to make sure that you will just, you know, combine those two clips, that it looks, and then it looks that you're just washing your hands, and then at the end, you will just walk away like nothing happened. And that is basically how to clone yourself in the mirror. And also, guys, if you want to know how to fight with your clone, if you guys haven't seen it yet, I'll show you guys a little clip of it right here, not too long. 3, 2, 1. Oh shit, are you okay? Oh, dude. If you want to see that video, make sure to check out the description. The link is there. So guys, that's it. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you for the continued support. And if you're new around here, make sure to click subscribe, because we have many of those awesome tutorials every single week. If you don't want to miss out, make sure to just become a part of the Alex Army, or hashtag Team JustAlexHalford, how you want to call it. So that's it. And I will see you guys, obviously, in a brand new video tomorrow, as always, on the channel. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.